yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have big doubts, not what I'm about.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some body work on the El Camino. In earlier videos I told you that the black top that was on it was actual bed liner, so I'm going to be grinding that off and fixing a couple of the rust holes that's around the top of the bed, and I'm going to be pulling the molding off of the side of the car. So just pretty much just getting the car prepped and ready to take care of some minor body work and get it into the paint booth. So that's my goals for today, and that's what we're about to do right now. I'll start the video back when I get to where the car is. All right, didn't get a chance to show me grinding this stuff off yesterday because I thought I set the camera up for time lapse, but I didn't. It was just taking a bunch of pictures. But you see I got it sanded off on this side and down there. Here we got some holes that we gotta cover. These remain because that's where the bed rails go. Gotta sand this down and back over there. You see it got some tiny holes in it like this. Yeah. Like I said, I didn't get a chance to record me doing it. I also poured all the molding off the side, both sides. All right, working on the body work of the El Camino. I'm actually taking the molding off the sides of it now. Took the molding off of the fender well. Gotta take it off the door and around the fender well at the back and around the other side. And I'm also might take this bottom piece off. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll see how easy it is to come off. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off also. All right, I got the molding removed, except for around the wheel well on this front and the back corner on the other side. But I'm debating on if I should put it back on it after it gets painted, or should I just go without the molding? Well, I got some time to think about it, so I'll just wait to see. Once I get everything cleaned up, I think I may just go without it. Probably keep the piece on the bottom down there, the very bottom. All right, I'll come back to the video. All right, got all the molding off now on both sides. I'm gonna have to see what people are doing with this spot here once they take the molding off. Not sure what I'm gonna do about this. Maybe put a piece of molding back on here and just to cover that up, but we'll see once I get everything cleaned up. All right, I filled the holes with the body filler, all the holes that the molding was in. I got a few more to do up here. So I got all the holes filled up. Just got to come back and sand it down and probably put some on some spots that I missed. And that should be it for filling the holes. As far as the painter, I think he can probably do some of the minor body work if there's any more stuff that needs to be done to it, but I'm just trying to knock out the majority of it. Picked up the hood for the El Camino. I want the cowl hood, so that's what I got. And I'm going to continue with the body work on it. Just want to show you the hood. Alright, I did a snippet of a time lapse. Didn't want to do a time lapse on the whole car because the video is already long enough, but this is what I'm doing so far. This was the major rust area. Got that done. Working on the tailgate. Alright, got the hood on. Show you what I don't like about the hood so far. I didn't know this when I bought it. Got a dent in it right here. See it from the angle. So that's what I don't like about it, so I'm gonna have to fix that from this angle. I'm gonna have to get that fixed, but overall, I think the look of the cowl looks good. It's the other side that I sanded down also. Close the door. Got to do a little bit of final bundle work, and other than that, be ready to go to the paint. Alright, still working on body work. If you remember this area here, this was the big rusted out area, so we got that looking a lot better. And just putting some rivets in the holes on the door and grinding those down so I don't have to use as much body filler. And that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to continue to work on this rust area. You can see it from the side. It's a lot smoother, looks a lot better. And just trying to get that squared away before we put it in the paint booth. Alright, I popped the dents out of the hood with a big dent. You can see I did as good as I can. And I'm going to get some body filler and smooth that out. When I popped it out, it was popping back in, so I had to put foam in it to keep it poked out. So I'll have to cut that off once it's dry. But that's what I'm doing, and I think that's about it as far as the body work. I'm gonna let the guy finish it up pretty much. All right, finishing up on the body portion of the El Camino. What I'm about to do now is replace these since they're all broke out on this side. and on this side. So everything else seems to be okay, at least good enough for what I can do. And that's it, just finishing up on it. Okay, it looks like these are going to be pretty easy to replace. Try to get the camera up in and show you what I'm doing. Alright, look like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and a clip right at the top. That clip right there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. So pretty much it goes in there like this. All right, let me go ahead and get this in there and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. All right, both inserts are in. So that's a wrap. Okay, you just saw that I had put multiple videos together of me doing the body work on the El Camino. It's been multiple days. I had to do a little bit here, a little bit there because of the weather and everything. So, but I finally got it done. I didn't mess with the hood. I got most of the dents out of the hood, but I felt that since I'm not a professional at body work, I don't want to mess it up. So I'll let the painter actually go through and like do some of the final body work and, you know, on the hood and some of the other spots as well. But you see I got the bumper corners in there, the cat pieces in the bumper, and I just got a little clip of me actually letting it run. So the body work is done on the El Camino. I'm going to contact the painter probably next week and see if we can get it in to get it painted. And while it's getting painted, I'm going to be working on the interior pieces that I pulled out of it. So thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you get notified when I drop these videos. I am going to have some different videos of the GTO and the Camino project that's going to be thrown in here. So make sure you hit on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put these videos out. So I'm probably going to release some of those videos not on Sundays with my everyday videos. It's probably going to come earlier in the week, so that's why I said click that notification bell so you'll be notified. Also, I just crossed over 142 subscribers, so thank you guys for subscribing. Please share these videos. I really want to get more people looking at these videos and stuff because I hopefully can help out other people. Also notice that a lot of people my videos are not getting a lot of views, even though I do have 142 subscribers, and some people may not have that notification bell click. So click on that notification bell so that you'll know when I drop these videos, and you can look at the videos, comment, like, share the videos. Again, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.